Optimizing my LinkedIn profile helped me generate tons of inbound leads and close high ticket clients. Recently, I have closed a $2,500 client just because my profile was well optimized. However, for a very long period of time, I struggled to generate even a single lead through my profile. And now I have finally cracked the code, which I am going to share it with you. So make sure you watch this video till the end, especially the seventh point is the most crucial one. Hi, I am Ayush and I welcome you to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, I create videos on client acquisition, solopreneurship, and how you can grow your business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss the future video. So on this video, I'm going to share you the 12 tips that has personally helped me and how you can leverage it. The best part is all these tips are very simple and it won't take much time. You can implement this instantly. So let's get started. So the very first tip is profile URL. You see, when you create your LinkedIn profile, by default, your URL doesn't look good, right? It is not easy to read, and also sometimes the LinkedIn will not be able to read your name. It's an important practice that you change your LinkedIn URL and you make it cleaner. And here's how you can do this. So this is my profile, and here on the right hand side, you can check the URL option. So click on this pencil icon. It will take you to this page, and on the right hand side you can see there is a URL option is there. So again click here, and here this is where you can update it. So make sure that your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters and number, and that shouldn't contain any special symbol or the special character. So this is where you can update it. So that is the first step. Coming to the second tip, which is as soon as you land on your LinkedIn profile, what is the first thing that you see? It is of course the banner, right, which occupy the prime real estate. But the biggest mistake people make is they leave their banner and they don't add anything to it, completely empty. So you don't have to do that, my friend. You have to utilize this real estate. And आप क्या कर सकते हो इस banner में? You can add about your work, like exactly आप किसे help करते हो and आप कैसे उसको help करते हो, like who you help and how you can help them with. That is something that you need to add on your banner, just like how I have added on my banner, you can see. Apart from that, you can also add any review, any testimonial. You can add number of clients you have worked with, or anything which will give you authority, which will build the trust. ये आप add कर सकते हो अपने banner में, ठीक है? Now coming from the banner comes the next part, which is your profile DP. Again, biggest mistake people make is they leave their DP blank or they add any random photo. See, LinkedIn is a professional platform, right? So you have to be a bit of professional on this platform. You have to look professional. So what you can do is, the best practice for the LinkedIn DP and the profile is have a smiling picture. As you can see mine, with blazer, with suit, that is an optional. You can have in your t-shirt or your shirt, but look professional, and it should be a clear headshot. Headshot means like your head and the face should be clearly visible and it should be smiling. So that is the bare minimum. I mean, I would completely recommend you to take the help of the photographer, but if you can't do that, if you can't afford that, no problem. You can use your phone as well. And another thing, few more things that you can add is you can add colorful background. It really helps you stand out, just like how I did. So from the DP now, which is your bio section. So this is the another place where most of the readers read about you, and the biggest mistake people make is they add any random things on their bio, or they add things which are not very clear. You don't have to make that mistake, my friend. So on your bio, be very clear, be very specific on who you are helping and exactly how you are helping them with. You just check my bio, it is very clear. I clearly say that I help coaches generate 4 to 5 clients a month, right? So now my value proposition is very clear, there is no ambiguity, and I have received many leads just because my bio was very clear to the people. People doesn't have the attention span, they have a very low attention span. If you confuse them, they're not going to stay for long. Apart from this, so the framework or a simple framework that you can use is I help. You can insert your target market with the desire and without the objection. That is something that you can use, just like how I did. I help coaches generate 4 to 5 clients per month, like by working on their foundation without the tactical hack. Apart from that, you can here also add your trust or authority elements. Like for example, how many clients have you served? What is the result that you have brought? And all these things. Why? Because it will build then instant trust. Let's come to the tip number 5, which is custom link. Now, custom link is a feature provided by LinkedIn where you can take your profile viewers to any link which is outside of LinkedIn. It is a great feature, but most of the people don't utilize it, unfortunately. So, how you can use custom link? You can add a custom link to your case studies. You can add a custom link to your lead magnet page. You can add a custom link to your website, anywhere where you can take the people outside and you can help them make the purchase on anything. I have personally added case studies. Why? Because I want people to trust me first. I want people to see my results which I have brought for my clients. So that is something that you can do. And here's how you can change the custom link. You can put any link over there. So in order to change the link, all you have to do is click on this custom button, as you can see, and here you can see three options will come: none, link, premium, custom button. So I have clicked on link, and here you can see I've added the case studies. If you don't have any case study, or if you want something else, you can click on this premium custom button, and here it will already provide you with few options, like if you want them to visit your store, if you have a website, if you want to visit them on your portfolio, all these things you can add it completely on you, which is the thing which you need to add. And if you have these links enabled, it will also be appeared below your profile once you will be posting. For example, I'll quickly show you. You see this book an appointment option is there. So this is what I was talking about. So if you have enabled this custom button, if you have this premium custom button enabled, it will be appear like this. Now my case study will not appear like this. My case study will be only here. But if you have enabled that another option, it will be appearing below all of your posts. All right, tip number 6, your about section. So your about section is the biggest section in which you can share and you can talk about yourself, correct? So again, the mistake that people make is they keep it blank, or they make it too big, or they make it too complicated, which is nothing to do with your viewers. So the only thing that you need to keep in mind while creating the about section is how it is going to help my readers, how is it going to help my viewers. Or two things that you can add here is either you can write your own story which is relatable to your target market, like how you have the similar challenge as your target market and how you have overcame it and how you can help them now. That is one way. Another way is you can completely talk about your target market problems and the solution that you are providing, just like how I did. I'm going to quickly show you. This is how I did. So you can see my about section is there. So as I have mentioned in the about section, I have talked about the pain points of my target market, which is the reason why they are not getting the client. I have talked about the different things that they're doing which is not working, and then I have talked about the solution and how exactly I can help them. So this is called the PAS framework. You can model it using my about section. Please do not copy is not the right way. You can always model and you can always take inspiration from other people, and this has particularly helped me generate a lot of leads and a lot of clients, because people when read it, they are able to relate to it, and then they come to me. So that is something that you can also do with your about section, right? So that is something that you can do on your about section. And trust me, people read your about section. The client which I have closed, many clients I have closed because they have read my about section, they was able to relate to it, and that's how they reached out to me. So you can use something similar format for the same. All right, tip number 7, the most important one, the featured section. Now, again, the biggest mistake people make here is they leave their featured section blank, or they add some random post of their previous post, which doesn't make any sense. LinkedIn, again, is providing us an opportunity to take our people outside to our landing page, to our website. So why not make this the best opportunity? Correct, my friend? So here what you can do is either you can add a link to your case study, or you can add a link to your landing page. I have personally added a link to my VSL page. Now, what is a VSL page? It's a simple video sales letter page where people will click on the link and they will go to my sales letter. There they will watch a video of 10 to 15 minutes, and in that 10 to 15 minutes they will know exactly how I can help them and what is my offer and the services. And let me tell you one secret: the client which I was talking about, $2,500 deal, he got closed exactly because of this process. He has watched my VSL, he booked the call with me, and he got closed, right? So see, it works. So if you're not leveraging it, if you're not utilizing it, you're making a loss, my friend. So please add a VSL, add a case studies, add your landing page in which you're talking about your product and the services, and that's how you'll be able to get more clients. All right, let's move to the tip number 8, which is your service section. So service section is the place where you can add your relevant skill. So it could be anything. It could be lead generation, copywriting, whatever skill which is relevant to your profile and which you can provide, you can add it over here, and also set up your service page just like how I did. Now this will help your viewers understand the kind of services that you provide, and this is the great place where they will actually reach out to you. They will share the proposal. As you can see, I have got so much many proposals here. So similarly, you can also do that so that you will start attracting inbound leads through your service page. So make sure you update it. All right, tip number 9, which is your experience section. Now it is one of the bottom most section, but people do still visit these sections. So make sure you not leave them empty. So here the mistake that people make is they add irrelevant experience. You should only add experience which is related to your target market and the service that you are offering, because they really want to see like if you have worked before or not, and what kind of experience you have carried with yourself. So make sure you will not miss this section and you add all the relevant experiences that you have related to your field. All right, tip number 10, recommendation. So recommendation, reviews, referrals are the best way to get clients because it builds trust and the authority. So make sure that all your past clients, you can invite them to recommend you, to share, to give you a review, to give you a testimonial. And this is the best way, to attract the right kind of people. You can share this recommended section to the prospects as well, so that they will get more trust. They will build more trust in you, right? So make sure you get at least some couple of recommendations from your past client, and that's how it will help you build more trust. All right, tip number 11, your skill section, your project section. Again, it is very much similar to the experience section. So you can add the any relevant projects that you have done previously by working with the client. And also one more tip, you should activate your creator mode. It is the mode for the people who are actively creating. So when you open the creator mode, it will allow you the options like you can add hashtags, you can do audio event, right? You can start your newsletter. So it's always good to open the creator mode. So turn it on, and in order to turn it on, you have to go to your profile, and on the profile, like my creator mode is on, as you can see. So there'll be an option to turn it on. You simply turn it on and you can see all the options will be available. All right, the last and the final tip, tip number 12, is start creating content, my friend. Of course, like just optimizing the profile will not help you. You have to go out there, you have to put out the content on the LinkedIn so that people will come back to your profile. So start creating content, start engaging with the people, and that will really help you get some eyeballs on your profile, and that's how you'll be able to convert the client. All right, great. So these are my 12 tips which I have used to optimize my LinkedIn profile. You can check out my LinkedIn profile later to get a better understanding. And going ahead, you should also go ahead and implement all these 12 tips. Once you do that, I am pretty sure that you are going to also generate leads and clients, and you will start making the money. So if you have any further questions, please comment below in the comment section. I'll be happy to address them. And if you want to know more about how to acquire clients on LinkedIn, I have provided a 5-step process. You can check out this video, right? And thank you so much again for watching this video. Please subscribe. See you next time. Tata.